Guys, fit check, M.A.Dkollection, of course, you already know. And that's it. That's all you need to know. So up and grateful. It's a beautiful day today. So let's get to work. Okay. Okay, so I've just finished planning my day, and I have also sorted out a few things I had to send to my accountant because it's that time for VAT and literally does my head in. Oh god. Anyway, so that's sorted. I've just scheduled UPS as well, so time to get parking. I'm going to do like a separate content for parking as well, so let's get to it. Come with me to pack an order for come with me to pack a UK order going to come with me to pack a UK order. So they've ordered beatrice in a UK 14, so let's go pack it. Okay, let's go pack an order for going to the United. So let's go pack an order for okay, let's go pack an order going to the United States. Let's go pack an order going to the United States, and this is for Shirley Ann. Thanks very much for your order. So they've ordered Tony in a UK 8. Come on. Okay, so this is Tony in a UK 8. Usual checks gets done as always. So these are business cards which we use as hanging tags. That is a money saving hack that we found out only not too long ago, but it's really a game changer. Okay, so that's the order receipt and the thank you card. I'm just going to put that together. Okay, so let's pack 2 orders. One is in the UK. This is for Sarah, and she's ordered the beatrice mini dress in a UK 16. And this is for Didi. She's ordered, no, this is for Claudia. She's ordered Didi in a UK 22. And this is going to Austria. Come on, let's pack it together. Okay, so let's have a chat while we pack this order. So this year is going to be 5 years since I started doing this business full time. Before now, I mean, when I started, it wasn't something I was thinking I was going to make a business out of it. It was just, I just started learning how to sew because I just wanted something to do after my corporate 9-to-5 job, and I literally wanted to be busy after work because the UK is a bit boring. If you're from Nigeria, like I'm Nigerian or African, you know how the culture is different. Like you have unending, I don't know, fun for lack of a better word. You've got family around, you've got friends around, like it's just a whole vibe. But here, a lot of the friends I knew had moved away, obviously because I came to do my master's in 2010. So as at the time I was thinking of doing something, this was like 2013, 2014, I didn't know a lot of people around anymore because most of them had either moved back to Nigeria or moved to a different country. So I just wanted something to keep me busy at the end of the day. So I decided to pick up sewing. I registered for courses online, and I also went to University of Arts London for 6 weeks, for a 6 weeks learn how to make a skirt course. I learned how to make a skirt for 6 weeks, going to London every weekend for 6 weeks from Manchester. That's how dedicated I was to cure my boredom. For tag, yeah. Okay. So this one is Beatrice going to a UK 6. Oh, Beatrice in a UK 16. And this is going to the UK. Okay. Okay, so by 2015, I started getting a lot of people asking me to sew for them. This was, I mean, I have to apologize to all the people I made clothes for in 2015 because those pieces were horrible. I mean, when I look back at it now, I'm like, how? But some of them actually appreciated it. It came out well. The price wasn't too bad, so we're all happy and good. I decided to open an Etsy store again, just out of let's see how this goes, let's wing it. So this is Sarah in the UK, and then we started doing this. It was all hobby, taking time off in between having kids and leaving and everything else. And then 2020 happened. I mean, we all know what happened in 2020. It happened and I decided to go full-time November of 2020. So this year makes it 5 years since I started this business full-time. Now, I'm going to mention so many things I've learned, or so many mistakes I've made, or things I wish I knew before I started this business. So let's get into it. Now, I'm going to be packing this order going to Austria, and they've ordered DD in a UK 22. I'm going to mention two things in this video. I'm going to mention two things that have, I mean, there's a lot, but just for the sake of time, I'm going to mention two things, and then I'll just make it kind of like a series. Two things I've learned in 5 years of doing this full time. Well, this is November of this year is going to make it 5 years. So first thing is very crucial, knowing your inventory or keeping proper stock of your inventory. So when we first started, we used to do like UK 6 up until UK 22. But what I quickly found out was there's not a lot of people that are UK we used to do UK4 to UK22, and what I quickly found out was that there was not a lot of people that wear a size UK4, like very little, and we had so many sizes that were UK4, so we had to repurpose all those sizes, like increase them to a UK6 or a UK8, or completely changed out the style or changed everything out. So because I have a knowledge of how to sew, it wasn't too bad. I was able to send it back to my tailors for them to make changes to. But if it's a case where you can't do any of that, then I'm not sure what you're going to use that inventory for, but that would just be cash tied up. So I quickly learned that we need to scrap our UK4 because it's of no use. And then very recently, I noticed that a lot of the items we have in stock, especially like things we put in clearance, are either items in a UK6 or extra small. And those items don't go as quick as, say, a UK12 or 14 or 16 or 18. So those 4 sizes are one of our best selling sizes. So we now know to stock those 4-5 sizes, so it's UK20 as well, in so many quantities compared to a UK6. We'll probably just have 1 or 2 of those, and a UK8. We've got quite a few people in the UK8, but 12 to 20 is our like best, and this is me knowing this from studying our analytics and knowing managing our inventory. Like, it's so proper managed now because we don't want cash tied up where it doesn't need to be tied up in. So that is one thing I wish I knew when I first started this business. Second thing I wish I knew when I first started is not all product you release is going to be a seller, is going to be a bestseller. There are products that you release and you don't even think or know that is going to do well, and it would literally like just sell out. Literally sell out. So if it happens, fantastic. If it doesn't happen, move on to the next thing like very quickly. What you don't want to do is hang on or like just be there for too long. Just make sure you're moving on to the next thing, but then understand and appreciate where you're currently at, but be open to changing, be open to like moving things along as quickly as you can. There's paper for this one. Okay, so that's the 2 I can mention in this video for now. So let me know in the comment section which of them can you relate to, and let me know other. So if you have a business, or if you're looking to start a business, let's know ourselves in the comment section below. If you're running a business, let me know what some of the struggles you've encountered or you're encountering and how you plan to fix it, or if you're confused about fixing it, just mention that in the comment section as well. Let's help each other grow because there's enough room in the sky for everyone to shine. Right, let's finish with this one. So this is going to Austria. I've nicely checked it, all the pockets, the zips, but top and down, and it is good and ready to go.